Have you ever talked about something, just casually, and then saw an ad for it moments later? Maybe you laughed it off. Maybe you said, "My phone's listening." But what if you were right? Today, we're diving deep into a digital rabbit hole, one that traces surveillance backdoors, buried firmware, questionable patents, and how your device might be listening to you even in airplane mode. This isn't paranoia. This is CONCURDANET. The idea that phones are listening has become a joke, but the evidence? It's mounting. Tech companies like Facebook, Google, Amazon have all denied active listening. But former employees, leaked documents, and even whistleblowers suggest otherwise. In 2018, a cybersecurity researcher ran controlled experiments, speaking phrases near his phone in airplane mode, and later seeing relevant ads. Coincidence? Maybe. But repeatable? Absolutely. Most people think airplane mode turns off all radios. It doesn't. Bluetooth often stays on. Location services can be passively logged. Even the microphone subsystem may remain partially powered. Chipsets from Qualcomm and MediaTek include low-power always-on listeners, designed for wake phrases like, "Hey Siri," or "OK Google." These aren't killed by airplane mode. And most shocking? In some Android builds, airplane mode doesn't actually turn off all network stack processes unless explicitly forced. Let's talk about baseband processors, the part of your phone that handles cellular communication. Basebands run on separate firmware, often closed source and inaccessible to the user. And because they operate outside your main OS, they can be a perfect vector for surveillance. NSA and intelligence agencies have long been rumored to exploit basebands. In 2013, Snowden leaks even referenced firmware-level attacks that could stay active even when the phone was off. Did you know Facebook owns patents for technology that can trigger microphones using inaudible sound beacons? Imagine watching a commercial on TV that sends an ultrasonic tone your phone hears, even if it's in your pocket, on airplane mode. These sound beacons are real. Several marketing firms admitted to embedding them in web ads and store apps. And unless you've disabled mic permissions manually, your phone could still log them. Some researchers believe that the microphone chip itself, at a hardware level, can have listening logic embedded directly into its silicon. These chips have their own tiny processors. If compromised, they could transmit audio snippets or wake word detections, without involving your phone's OS. Think of it as a ghost in the machine, listening silently, storing short audio caches, waiting for a chance to transmit. Both companies claim your data is safe. Yet, voice snippets have been leaked, transcribed, and shared with contractors. Google was caught storing voice commands from devices not even in active use. Apple's Siri was recording bedroom conversations for quality control. And what about third-party apps? Instagram, TikTok, and even flashlight apps have been caught requesting microphone access without clear explanations. The legal frameworks around this are vague, permission granted, as often buried in 30-page EULAs. At hacker conferences like DEF CON and Black Hat, experts have shown how easy it is to trigger a phone's mic even when it's off. They demonstrate malware that piggybacks onto system-level services or firmware drivers, using open-source tools to simulate remote listening. One tool dubbed Remic can force androids to record in stealth, saving data until a Wi-Fi network is available to exfiltrate. Another demo showed how placing a compromised phone in airplane mode didn't stop covert audio capture, it just delayed upload. So how do you defend yourself? Use a physical mic blocker, hardware plug. Manually disable permissions in your settings. Use custom ROMs like Graphene OS or Calyx OS. Opt for phones with kill switches, e.g. Librem 5. Don't trust airplane mode. Power the phone down or use Faraday pouches for true disconnection. Even then, it's not 100% foolproof. Your phone is a microphone. Your data is currency. And silence? Well, in the digital world, it's rare. Whether you believe your phone is listening or not, just remember, the technology already exists. It's already patented. And the next time you joke about your phone being creepy, it might just laugh back. This is CONCURDANET. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you're not in airplane mode, maybe double check who's listening.